Forno Appliances introduces you to the 30-inch microwave wall oven model 3093. Thick, durable handle for a professional look. With a wide range of cooking heating options from popcorn, beverages to pizza. This microwave is powered by 1000 watts to thoroughly cook or defrost any dish. With sensor cooking, the microwave oven automatically determines the required cooking time for each food item and allows you to cook many of your favorite foods without selecting cooking times or power levels. Switch from microwave to convection oven at a touch of a button. The interior is of stainless steel. The convection oven has a top broiler and a bottom heating element for all your baking needs. Comes included with a ceramic plate. Broil from low to high or use the oven to roast or bake. Use the auto menu for fast cooking such as chicken, poultry, beef, pork, fish, and many more. Comes equipped with a convection fan for even disperse heating. Automatically defrost meats with a few touches or reheat foods with sensor reheat. Offers an extra touch of elegance with a supplementary set of stainless steel and antique brass handle to complement most kitchens. This model is powered by a 120 volts, 20 amps electrical circuit. It comes with a NEMA 5-20 plug. An industry-leading 2-year in-house warranty backs every Forno appliance. Forno, lowering the cost of living.